Beautiful upgrades. Inside the enhancements at Shanghai's Qizhong Tennis Center, as the Qizhong Tennis Center celebrates its 20th anniversary, there are plenty of eye-catching facility upgrades to see at the home of the Rolex Shanghai Masters, Asia's biggest ATP Tour event. Renowned for its iconic Magnolia retractable roof, the Qizhong Tennis Center opened in 2005 and hosted the Tennis Masters Cup for 4 consecutive years before the inaugural ATP Masters 1000 event began in 2009. Tournament director Michael Luvano and managing director Charles Humphrey Smith have seen the growth of not only the tournament, but also the facilities, most recently exemplified by this year's developments. "We have 2 new features this year," said Smith. "One is a new roof at Grandstand 2, a fantastic design unlike anything in the world. And a new practice court, which is probably the first in tennis that we built, a stadium just for practice for our top players." The 1,400-seat practice stadium allows fans an intimate view of the world's best players. It's a more relaxed environment, and in one day, fans probably see 2 or 3 of the best players in the world here, so for them it's sort of a buffet of the best, Smith added. The practice stadium has not only been enjoyed by fans, but also players like Holger Rune, who made his first Shanghai quarter-final this edition. "It's nice for players to have a nice match court to train on and also some practice in a more comfortable setting," said Rune. "I actually had 3 practices on that new court. One with Novak Djokovic, one with Hugo Humbert, and one with Miomir Kekmanovic. There's more space for the fans, and it's a safer environment, which is great." Alex de Minaur, who is 7th in the PIF ATP Live race to Turin and vying for a 2nd consecutive trip to the Nitto ATP Finals, also praised the facility improvements and atmosphere surrounding the new practice court. "It's a beautiful court, and I had the chance to have a hit with a fellow Aussie Rinky Hijikata, and that was a lot of fun," said de Minaur. "Whenever you are in China, they show such amazing support. The fans are great, they're grateful, they love their tennis, and it's always a pleasure to play in front of them." Like de Minaur, Serbian Novak Djokovic resonates with the passionate Chinese fans. The 38-year-old owns a record 4 titles in Shanghai, where he is making his 11th appearance, dating back to the tournament's 2009 debut. "Every practice session it feels like playing a match," said Djokovic, titleist in 2012, 2013, 2015 and 2018. "The amount of people that are there, screaming and really willing to show their support and show their love and passion for what I do. I just love coming back and performing in front of the crowd. That always gives me great energy, great vibes." The newly completed Grandstand 2 roof was completed with a quick turnaround. Design, permitting, and construction all took place across roughly 8 months. With weather largely cooperating this week, the 5,000-seat stadium has featured a closed roof just once in the first 7 days of main draw action. Former champion Daniil Medvedev, who triumphed in Shanghai in 2019, played his opening match against Dalibor Svesina on Grandstand 2. Medvedev has long enjoyed his trips to the ATP Masters 1000 event. "Since the first time I came here, I've always said it's the best tournament we have on tour if we take out the Grand Slams," Medvedev said. "Of course it's just my opinion, but that's my favorite tournament on tour. I love coming back here, I love the facilities, I love the courts, I love everything around this place." Grandstand 2's retractable roof is unique. When open, it covers the piazza area, and when closed, the entire court is fully protected. Its aesthetic design makes it a unique structure not just in tennis, but sports overall. Among other notable upgrades is the expansion of the miniature golf course, which has proven popular with players. Located behind the spacious player lounge, the mini golf course was expanded from 9 holes to 18. "Each hole has a little description of where you are in China," said Smith. "One of the highlights from last year was we started this little mini golf tournament. At the end of the day, there is a chance to step away from tennis and have something that is fun right here and have a great time. You may also like Chong takes trip down memory lane in Shanghai." The Qizhong Tennis Center's upgrades are rooted in 2 decades of evolution. Luvano fondly remembers the planning stages of the Magnolia-inspired retractable roof atop stadium court. "It's an incredible journey we've been through, and I remember seeing the early stages of architectural designs for the stadium," said Luvano. "I remember thinking, oh my God, they would never approve this.